The Foundations of Packaging was created for everyone who wants a broad understanding of the packaging industry. Whether you're just starting your career or a seasoned professional, this course will help you go beyond packaging definitions to list packaging functions, levels, and types. You're going to learn about the major packaging innovations throughout history and the primary stakeholders who influence the current packaging development process. It's important to be able to list product considerations that impact packaging and recognize the standard manufacturing processes for each fundamental packaging material. So, we'll introduce you to the global packaging market by value and volume, as well as category and geography segmentations. Sustainability is an important topic, and you'll learn about relevant packaging materials and processes. Bottom line, the Foundations course is going to support you in establishing the strong vocabulary required to communicate with stakeholders across the packaging value chain. This course is self-paced, fun, and you can take it anywhere, even on your mobile device. Are you ready to increase your packaging IQ? If so, let's start learning.